Hello everyone, Patrick LeBlanc, Principal Program Manager, Microsoft Fabric. In this demo, Amanda introduces a vibrant new way to visualize your data in Power BI. Customize individual line segments in your line charts with unique colors and transparency, making your data stories clearer and more engaging than ever. Start highlighting key insights today. Let's take a look.
This month, we're bringing you the ability to format individual line segments within your line charts. For a long time now, you've been able to assign specific colors to an individual bar of a column or bar chart, such as coloring the lowest value manually red and the highest value you could manually color green if you wanted to. This allows you to really easily highlight interesting data points for a particular data story that you were telling. And now this month you'll be able to do the same thing for your line charts, individually formatting both the color and the transparency of the line itself and the shade area. To apply formatting to a specific line segment, all you need to do is open up the Lines card inside the formatting pane, and then use the Apply Settings to dropdown to select your specific data point. So I can, for example, pick the first data point and apply manually the color red, and then pick my October 1st date and apply the green color. And then you'll notice for each of these segments that the line is colored from the halfway point between the point before the data point you're trying to color and also the halfway point to the next data point. So basically the halfway point on either side. The whole section in between is going to get colored. And then you can do the same thing for the shade area card. Again, using the Apply Settings to dropdown. By default, when you turn this on, it's going to match the color of the line itself automatically, but of course you can turn that setting off and then individually format each of the segment colors for the shade area as well. This feature not only closes a gap between our column charts and our line charts, but it also sets the stage for us to support more advanced segment formatting like conditional formatting in the future.
Wow, what a great demo. If you have any questions, comments, or you'd like to see more demos, you know what to do. Post it in the comments below. If this is your first time visiting the Power BI YouTube channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, a big thumbs up. And as always, from Microsoft and myself, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.